Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view two pages side-by-side Word. To start, open your Word document. There, look at the text on the two pages. After that, you are going to click on the View menu. Click on Multiple Pages, and you will see that you now have a visualization of the two pages in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.